Well, hi, and thanks for joining me here. I'm going to be putting that console together completely today. That's my promise to myself, and be done with it. So this is a prototype that I put together. Has a bunch of LEDs on it, two supply rails, and the idea was I was going to replace the dial lights, the two miniature dial lights that are inside this receiver. The reason for that is one of them is burned out. I don't have that type of light bulb, but that doesn't even matter. I cannot get the light bulbs out of the light bulb sockets. They are fused in there so tight. Pretty sure if I give it a good crank, I'm going to rip the bulb apart and just get into all kinds of trouble. So one bulb was working, one bulb was not. I decided, let's just get away from those bulbs and we'll put in LEDs. I mean, if these had been around back in the day, they would have put these in for sure. But this prototype that I put together, obviously, it just didn't work. It just didn't work out at all. So, but it led me to a much better system, which is in here now. And I'm not sure you're going to be able to see what it is exactly. But I've used a method here that I can repeat in all kinds of circumstances very easily. Now, you really can't see it. You can see some of the lead wires going to it. So there's 5 LEDs across the front of this now instead of two lights at either end, which didn't give very uniform lighting anyway. So everything else is ready to go. So I'm going to put it all back together now. Next time you see it, it'll be finished and we'll be listening to it. Okay, I think we're ready to go here. Let me just douse a few lights. Okay, and volume down. Now, the microphone I'm going to be using, it's gotten pretty dark in here, is right there. You can see it pretty clearly. So I'm going to switch to that microphone. My voice is going to go down. I apologize for my last video where volume levels were all over the place. I'll try and keep a little better control on things here. So let's switch microphones. Okay, so this is actually a high quality microphone. All my microphones are high quality, so this should do a good job. Now, we're going to turn this guy on and hope he lights up nice. Let's start with AM here. Here we go. Fantastic. Great, I like it. Let it warm up. Low volume. Anytime now. Now I don't know about the angle this is on. Maybe in a bad angle to pick up Toronto.
Dying at the scene. They also arrested a 40-year-old man at the scene.
So I'm pretty sure this is faint because I'm picking up, a little bit faint, I'm picking up Toronto stations with it angled the wrong way. So, but I'm pretty sure the AM is working well. Now FM. Here we go. Oops, wrong. Great.
And SUVs, specialty performance vehicles, huge truck inventory, over 200 of Barrie's best reconditioned vehicles ready to go. And GD Coates is ready to deal. Top dollar for your trade, easy financing, unmatched customer service. At GD Coates, the original used car superstore. Family owned and operated for 46 years and voted Barrie's best used car dealership.
All right, 9:03, and time to get our final check on the Dock Road Watch from Robert.
Actually, improvement. If you're southbound on the 400 this morning, expect to see some volume. Yeah, but
One day I jump the fence to find new lands.
Excellent. These are pretty weak stations here. Still quite listenable. Excellent. Okay, now what's left is the record player. That's what's left. Okay. Now. Oh, how'd you get knocked over there? Okay, probably when I was putting the screws in under here. We'll switch now to phono. Unless the magic eye went out. Okay, here we go. Very skippy. Pretty light. But I think it's good. I think excellent. Very good. I think she's all done. So the history of this was in the back of somebody's garage and they were ready to throw it out and their neighbor rescued it. I think he threw a small amount of money at the fellow to pick it up. Sight, or ears unheard, I guess is the way to say it. Unheard. And here it is now, working quite well. I'm sure the short wave would work too if we put an antenna on it and wait till the evening. On the stronger stations it's going to work too. So that's great. Let's see. Can we turn it off? Yes, it turns off even. Fantastic. Okay. So I think that's the end of the journey for this guy. I think that's the end of the journey. So fantastic. Really happy with the way it came out. Hope the owner is too. There we go. Okay, what's next? Something next. Thanks a lot for watching this series. See you on the next video.